Okay, friends, this is the kind of final product of my restoration of these wheels. So first of all, they are painted with Pour 15 silver paint on the inside and the backs. And then I went ahead and used Pour black inside here. And then on the face, the hub, and I know it's not perfect, but this is all going to be covered, so it's just this little part. So I'm pretty happy with the way these turned out. It was a lot of work, not gonna lie. I do have a spare now because I got 4 of these with the car, but one of them, this one, had a little fracture, and even though it's probably okay, I just didn't feel great having it on the car. So I'm turning this into the spare, which hopefully I will never need. And I'm gonna use these. So I bought one of these from, it's still the same era, a little bit different, but I mean, they look the same. I bought one from a salvage yard. And I did the best I could. Some of these, it's strange, some of them, like this one, were pretty clean, and then others, like this one, had a little more marking. This one had the most pitting. And even though, you know, I did my best to kind of sand it down and get a lot of the pitting out, I can only invest so much time, you know. And yes, I could probably take these to a place and they could resurface them and make them like new, but then basically I might as well just buy a new set at that point because everything costs money. So, you know, even if I spent $200 each getting these like new, I mean, you can basically buy a new set of these for $1,000. So, although what's nice about these now is that they are GM authentic 78. The original set that I got on the car are 78s because I have the receipt. I don't know what the other one I bought is. I think it's maybe a little later. Anyway, what do you guys think? These are gonna go get tires put on and balanced, and they will be waiting for the opportunity to get back on the car. But that's still several weeks or perhaps months away, but they will get back on the car. That's it. Thanks for watching.